Hey guys, Jeff with Music City Indian, the parts and service desk. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about some carbon fiber from Hofmann Designs that we're going to be throwing on Cam's 2025 Power Plus RoadMaster. If you're looking to shed some weight on your performance bagger, you can't go wrong with Hofmann Design Carbon Fiber. The rear fender is over 50% lighter than stock. What we have here is the short fender. It also comes in OEM length. We have their shorty front fender here, which will come in the mid-length as well. And then we also have the carbon fiber dash. We chose to go with the gloss finish on our parts here. You can also get them in a satin finish or have them paint matched to your bike. All Hofmann Design parts are available here at Music City Indian. So if you want this setup or anything else, give me a call or swing by the shop. Eli's about ready to get started on all these parts, so let me turn it over to everybody's favorite little person.
So with doing these custom fenders, it gives us options to where we can either reinstall this on a carbon fiber fender, so you maintain all of the original functionality with the mid-range radar, blind spot warning, tailgate warning, all the cool features that Indian gave us on this bike, or we're doing something a little different on this bike. We're gonna go with a custom light setup on the back, something a little cleaner, less stuff going on, and really just let that carbon shine through and clean up the back end of this bike a little bit. Oh yeah, the weight difference alone in these is absolutely insane. And that wraps up installing the fender. From here, it's entirely up to you where you go from it. Like we said, if you want to put your stock stuff back on, you want to change your taillight setup, the only other thing left to do now is put a bolt right here. That's the stud for the rear of your seat on the Challengers or the Power Plus RoadMaster Chieftain lineup. And that's it. And away we go. So with doing the carbon front fender on this, we've decided to do away with the lighted headdress light. So all I'm doing here is just removing the factory wiring that goes to that light. Give us that nice, clean, nothing but carbon look on the front. Carbon fiber fender. Great success. Alrighty, so that wraps up our install of carbon fiber on this bike. I'm gonna put this beautiful MCI custom Saddleman seat back on here. Now, what we've done here today is the carbon rear fender, the carbon front fender, as well as the carbon console cover here on the tank. Saved a lot of weight off of this motorcycle, which is gonna help us with handling, help us with performance. Lighter is faster. That and the carbon looks absolutely fantastic on this bike. We're thrilled to be working with Hofmann Designs on the carbon. A bunch of other companies we'll be working with on this bike as we continue to make progress and get everything put together, so stay tuned and check it out.